What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video, let's talk about some lighting concepts that you can use for your YouTube videos. Let's get into the video. So let's talk about this first lighting concept, and this is called front lighting. And this is where you see a lot of YouTubers using that ring light and putting the camera in the middle of the ring light and just cranking the light very bright, and this is going to give the effect of flawless skin. A lot of makeup channels like to use this lighting, and this is great for the YouTuber that wants to make them the subject or center of the attention for the video, which is good because if you are a YouTuber like myself, standing out is always a good thing, and making yourself known is a good thing as well. Now let's talk about another lighting concept that I more sway towards because let's just check it out. So the next concept of lighting is called Rembrandt lighting, and this is the lighting that I use all the time for my videos, or at least try to get. And this lighting is great because it gives a lot of dynamic. There's lighting hitting my left side of my face and barely any light over here on the right side of my face. But what it's also doing is it's creating this triangle amount of light on my right side of my face, and that kind of gives this interesting look. It's very dynamic, it's contrasty, and it's just overall more interesting to look at rather than, for myself at least, front lighting. With the concept that I'm using right now, which is Rembrandt lighting, I can also darken my face on this side even more by using negative fill. So I have this foam board and I'm going to raise it up, and you can kind of tell just how that's affecting the right side of my face. You can kind of see that foam board in the video, and creating now a shadow on the right side of my face. And if I take it down, the light kind of stretches just a little bit back to where it was. So let me do it one more time. Bringing it up. Foam board's there. Face gets a little bit more contrasty on the right side. And then if I take it down again, the light kind of fills back in. So that is my video here on some concept of lighting. There's definitely a lot more lighting concepts, but these are just the two that are very popular, and hopefully you got some information about these from this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comment section down below. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button because there's more videos just like this coming your way. I'm gonna peace out for now. Thanks for watching. It's been real. Keep it real. You know what it is. Deuces.